What's the meaning of Alfred Kinsey? Alfred Kinsey. Alfred Kinsey. Alfred Kinsey. Alfred Kinsey. Alfred Kinsey.
Alfred Kinsey was an American biologist, professor and sexologist who conducted extensive research on human sexuality in the mid-20th century. He is best known for his Kinsey reports, which were published in 1948 and 1953, and which presented the results of his research on sexual behavior and attitudes in the United States. The reports challenged widely held beliefs about sexuality and helped to pave the way for greater acceptance of sexual diversity. They also stimulated further research and discussion on the topic of human sexuality.